Are you ready to take your home and kitchen game to the next level? In this video, I'm sharing 14 of the newest and coolest Amazon gadgets that you absolutely need in 2024. Whether you want to simplify your cooking, stay organized, or add a touch of tech to your space, these gadgets have got you covered. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss these amazing finds. The automatic water dispenser pump brings effortless hydration to your home. No more heavy lifting of water jugs, just set the pump on top of any large water bottle, and it's ready to go. With just one press, it dispenses water smoothly and efficiently, making it perfect for home, office, or outdoor use. The best part? It's USB rechargeable, meaning you can take it anywhere and never worry about finding an outlet. Ideal for camping trips or picnics, this portable dispenser fits most standard-sized bottles. Its sleek design ensures it doesn't take up much space, and it's incredibly easy to install and clean. This sliding tray is a game-changer for anyone with heavy appliances on their countertop. No more struggling to move your coffee maker, blender, or toaster to the edge of the counter. This tray slides effortlessly, giving you easy access to your gadgets with just a pull. The tray is designed to hold up to 30 pounds, making it sturdy enough for most kitchen appliances. Its smooth gliding mechanism allows you to easily slide your appliances in and out of storage without dragging them across your countertop, protecting your surfaces from scratches. Plus, it helps keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free by providing a dedicated space for your gadgets. If you want a more organized and functional kitchen, this sliding tray is a must-have. The CouchConsole original tray is the ultimate companion for movie nights or lazy days on the couch. With its self-balancing cup holder, this innovative tray ensures your drink stays upright, even if you're sitting on an uneven surface like a sofa or bed. But that's not all. This tray is also modular, meaning you can customize it to suit your needs. Whether you want a snack tray, storage for your remote, or space for your phone, you can arrange the modules just how you like them. Compact and portable, it's perfect for use in the living room, bedroom, or even on road trips. Say goodbye to freezer burn and food waste with the vacuum sealer machine. This essential kitchen gadget helps extend the shelf life of your food by sealing it airtight, keeping your ingredients fresh for longer. Whether you're storing leftovers, marinating meat, or prepping meals for the week, this machine offers a simple, efficient way to keep food at its best. Compact and easy to store, the vacuum sealer fits seamlessly into any kitchen, while its user-friendly design ensures anyone can operate it with ease. If you're looking to reduce food waste, save money, and improve your meal prep routine, this gadget is a must-have. Standing for long periods while cooking or doing dishes can take a toll on your feet and back, but the AntiFatigue Floor Mat is here to help. Made with thick, cushioned material, this mat reduces pressure on your joints, making it much more comfortable to stand for extended periods. Whether you place it in front of the sink, stove, or your standing desk, it provides instant relief from the discomfort of hard floors. Its non-slip surface ensures that it stays in place, even in high-traffic areas, while the stain-resistant material makes it easy to clean. Plus, its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Tired of water pooling on your countertops after washing dishes? The Kiture dish drying rack solves that problem. This drying rack not only holds a variety of dishes, pots, and pans but also comes with a special drainage system that directs water straight into the sink. The adjustable spout lets you position the drainage exactly where you need it, preventing water from accumulating on your counter. It also includes a dedicated cutlery holder, so your utensils can dry upright and stay organized. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the sleek design fits perfectly in modern kitchens. Whether you hand wash a few dishes or an entire sink full, this dish rack keeps everything neat, organized, and dry. It's a practical solution for anyone looking to streamline their dishwashing routine and maintain a clutter-free kitchen. Keep your knives in top shape with the Orange Ninja 4-stage knife sharpener. This compact tool features 4 sharpening slots designed to restore, sharpen, and polish your blades to perfection. The coarse slot uses carbide blades to straighten and repair damaged knives, while the medium slot features diamond rods to hone and sharpen the blade. For the finishing touch, the fine slot polishes the edge, ensuring your knives are razor sharp. There's even a serrated slot specifically for sharpening those tricky blades. Whether you're working with chef knives, paring knives, or even serrated bread knives, this sharpener ensures they stay as good as new. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable, secure grip, and the non-slip base keeps it stable during use. Compact yet highly effective, the Orange Ninja sharpener is a must-have for anyone who values precision in the kitchen. This stand mixer is a kitchen workhorse designed to take the effort out of baking and cooking. With a powerful 660W motor, it can handle everything from kneading dough to whipping cream with ease. The 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl is large enough to handle big batches, making it perfect for family-sized meals or holiday baking. You can choose from 6 different speed settings, plus a pulse function for precise control. The tilt head design allows easy access to the bowl, so adding ingredients or switching attachments is a breeze. Speaking of attachments, this mixer comes with a whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater, covering all your mixing needs. Whether you're making bread, cakes, or cookies, this stand mixer will become your go-to tool in the kitchen. Meet the self-stirring mug, your new favorite gadget for busy mornings or lazy afternoons. With just the press of a button, this mug stirs your drink automatically, mixing in your sugar, cream, or other ingredients with ease. It's perfect for coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or even protein shakes. The built-in stirring mechanism is quiet and efficient, making sure your drink is perfectly mixed every time. No more messy spoons or uneven flavors. The mug is battery-powered, so it's portable and great for use at home, the office, or on the go. The Sobro nightstand table is more than just a place to set your alarm clock. It's a fully loaded smart furniture piece designed for modern living. Equipped with a cooling drawer, you can keep drinks and snacks chilled right next to your bed. It also features wireless charging for your devices, built-in Bluetooth speakers for music, and both USB-C and standard outlets for charging all your gadgets. The front-facing LED nightlight has a motion sensor, so it lights up as you approach, perfect for late-night trips to the bathroom. You can also control the table's RGB LED lighting through an app, allowing you to customize the colors to match your mood or decor. The Sobro nightstand is not just functional but also a sleek, futuristic addition to any bedroom setup. The future of home security is here with the Ring Always Home Cam drone. This flying security camera patrols your home autonomously, capturing footage of every room. It's equipped with LED lights and integrates seamlessly with the Ring alarm system for real-time notifications. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can monitor your home from your phone. It's like having your own personal security guard on patrol 24/7. The drone returns to its charging dock when not in use, so it's always ready to fly when needed. Never lose your keys again with the Keyfinder. This small yet powerful gadget attaches to your keychain, making it easy to track your keys using your smartphone. With a simple tap on the app, the Keyfinder will emit a loud sound, helping you locate your misplaced keys in seconds. The Keyfinder is not just limited to keys. You can attach it to your wallet, bag, or even your pet's collar to keep track of anything important. It's the ultimate gadget for anyone who's ever had to tear apart their home in search of missing items. Stay cool and connected with a smart ceiling fan that you can control from your phone or voice assistant. This fan adjusts its speed automatically based on the room's temperature, ensuring maximum comfort with minimal effort. Whether you're relaxing on the couch or lying in bed, you can change the settings without getting up. It's compatible with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Home, so you can integrate it seamlessly into your smart home setup. The fan also features energy-saving modes and whisper quiet operation, providing cooling comfort while being eco-friendly. Traveling with multiple chargers is a thing of the past with the 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charger. It can charge your Apple smartphone, smartwatch, and earbuds simultaneously, saving you from tangled cords and multiple plugs. Its foldable design makes it compact enough to slip into any bag, and the magnetic alignment ensures your devices charge perfectly every time. Need a garden hose that's practical and space efficient? The Magic Hose is a dream come true for gardeners and homeowners alike. It expands up to 3 times its original length when in use and automatically contracts when you're done, making storage hassle-free. Its lightweight yet durable design ensures it can handle various watering needs, from gentle plant misting to high-powered cleaning. With multiple spray settings, you'll have the perfect water flow for everything from washing your car to watering your delicate garden flowers. If sweeping is your least favorite chore, then you'll love the Touchless Vacuum Dustpan. This smart dustpan automatically sucks up dirt, crumbs, and debris when you sweep toward it. No bending over required. Just sweep it into the unit, and it's gone. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments below if you need links to any of these awesome products.